Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another episode of Galvanized Tech. I'm your host, Colby, coming to you live from sunny Tampa, Florida. It is a very calm morning thus far, but I want to give you a heads up. If you hear lawnmowers in the background, that's because there's landscapers doing work outside my house right now. But let's not waste any more time talking about the stuff that we can't control. Let's jump right into it. Dyson. That's right. Dyson, the highly reputable vacuum brand, is now in the headphone game. Can somebody please tell me who asked for this? Please. Don't worry, I'll wait. Dyson is now making headphones. It's called the Dyson Zone. It is a $1,000 pair of headphones. And it's noise canceling. Active noise canceling. With an attachable air purifier mask that'll go over your face and nose. Let that sink in for a second. A pair of $1,000 headphones with an air purification mask that'll go over your head and nose with a claim to filter out 99% of pollutants as small as 0.1 microns. You've got to see pictures of this thing. Now, I've seen people do tests of this on the headphone side. The headphones are quite good, from what I understand. Not the best, not $1,000 worth. From what I've been told, they are within that $200 to $300 price range in terms of audio quality, which is nice. But why the $1,000 price tag? I'm not sure where that disconnect is coming from, but it's remarkable. Please tell me that we're not living in a simulation. Now, just so you're aware, this is not a pair of headphones that were created as a means of combating the mask shortage during COVID. No, this is a pair of headphones that just dropped, that are now just recently available. When was the release date? 2022. Autumn of 2022, these headphones dropped. Which makes their existence even more puzzling. You can buy the Dyson Zone in the UK, Hong Kong, Singapore. They are now available for pre-order by appointment only in the US before being made available at Dyson.com. I don't quite understand this. This is puzzling to me. Now, I completely understand when a brand feels a need to branch off and rebrand maybe and start making other products. That is something I can completely get behind and support if it's something that is passionately felt throughout the company, right? That's all fine and well. But if you're going to rebrand yourself, you have to know that that's a slow drip process, because you have a long-standing niche market that already knows you for one thing. And for you to get behind another product line and say, this is what I'm going to start making, this is what I'm going to do. I don't know if that's what Dyson is doing with the Dyson Zone headset, but what I can honestly tell you is that's the impression I get, right? And it's not a good impression to make on somebody. If you've made vacuums for years, that's what you should be making. That's your cash cow, right? That's your solid flow of revenue, is vacuums, air purifiers and vacuums. Why get into the headphone game? Why? Not exactly sure why. Yeah, I can honestly tell you by looking at this mask, it is not an M49 type mask. There is no seal. I don't know how it's claiming to filter out 99% of pollutants. It looks like Bane's mask. I'm not even lying to you. It looks like a Bane mask. Bane's mask is on your face. while you're listening to your favorite jams. Their slogan, pure audio, pure air, anywhere. Yeah. But it does allow you to connect to the My Dyson app, so that's good, That's good. They have a little ecosystem going now. Okay, they got an app. Great. Yeah. But the nice thing is the mask is detachable, so if you just want to use the headphones, you can. Now that would have been a real bad day if you were a consumer and you got this thing knowing that you could not detach the mask. That would have been a bad day. Luckily you can. You don't have to wear the mask on the headphones if you don't want to. And as I said, the audio tests from my sources say that they're decent. They're not $1,000 worth decent in terms of audio quality, but they are still decent pair of headphones. Now apparently the filters for this air purifier mask live in the ear cups of the headphones. So you unscrew the side of the outside ear cup, and you get access to the air purifier chamber inside the ear cup, and you can change them out. And they are electrostatic carbon filters. Jesus. Yeah, this is. I don't know why your claim to fame is being the winner of Rolling Stone Best Audio Awards 2023. That's not. It's yeah. Yeah, you're not going to be winning any awards for the Logic Award. I can tell you that right now. Yeah. Woo. So what they're claiming is this product is more for people that live in high density cities, capturing city pollution, including gases, allergens, and particulate matter, and canceling out unwanted noise with advanced noise cancellation and pure high fidelity audio. That's all well and good. Yeah. I can personally guarantee you that any people that you're trying to target with this product already have a pair of high quality headphones. Why do they need your headphones? What sets you apart? Don't tell me it's the air purification, because nobody gives a damn about that. When there's no seal around the actual mask itself, it's not doing anything. It's kind of yeah. Listen, I hope somebody out there is getting use out of it. And if you did get this mask, I'm not shaming you. If you did get this pair of headphones, I'm not shaming you. I'm just trying to educate. Yeah. So that's that. ChatGPT 4 is close to launch. That should be very interesting. The people over at OpenAI who made ChatGPT are now actually concerned that the level of their AI has gotten to a point where it's actually scaring them. Yeah. Actually scaring them. But it's a nice piece of tech. Hopefully it will be handled responsibly by the people that use them. I don't use it very often at all, except for the lulls. However, I will say this. If you're looking for a good quality AI that's not so much concerning but just very helpful, Bing Chat AI is so helpful. It'll have you abandoning Google on your phone. This is how ingenious Bing is, okay? There was a guy on Reddit, and he had asked Bing to tell him how many of this brand and make, how many of this brand and model of suitcase would fit in a Tesla Model Y. How many of a Samsonite suitcase of this particular type of Samsonite suitcase would fit in a Tesla Model Y. And Bing came back with a response that read, "There's no answer readily available at this current time for this particular question, but I will try and calculate it out myself and give you an answer that way." So Bing not only shows you its work, but it also comes back with the answer. It shows you its work and then comes back with an exact answer as to how many suitcases you could fit in Tesla Model Y. Try to get Google to do that. Good luck. It's the future of search engines. And you ought to see what Microsoft is doing. Microsoft's AI is going to be groundbreaking. Groundbreaking. Especially if you're a business owner. Picture this, right? Picture this. You are a Microsoft 365 license holder, meaning that you own the license to a Microsoft 365 subscription, right? And you're a business owner and you do Excel. In the next iteration of Microsoft 365, there's going to be AI. There's going to be an AI component to it, right? And what this will enable you to do is, let's say you're doing an Excel spreadsheet, right? And you're trying to figure out your quarterly projections, what your yearly earnings are going to be. You can actually type it in to this AI and ask it, "Hey, what was my best earning month?" And it'll tell you. "What was my lowest earning month?" It'll tell you. "What was my amount for this month specifically?" It'll tell you. Automation. It's going to change automation across the board, right? I wish that Cortana would have stayed afloat. Because what I would have liked was for Cortana to have been what Bing has become. That would have been my wish. But Cortana was so fucking horrid. Excuse my language, but do you remember having a Windows 10 computer and trying to use Cortana for anything other than just the lulz? It was absurd. You could hardly use that thing without pulling your hair out. I mean, it was useless. Cortana was useless. Yeah, I don't exactly know. But I will say this. No matter what your take on AI is, mine is very neutral right now. I don't use AI on a daily basis, but when I do use it, the use function that I do get out of it is quite rewarding. I will say that. If you use it responsibly, you're not going to get any negative connotations out of it. There's not going to be any negative trickling down, right? AI is very it's very it's hard to explain. The one thing I can honestly say is curiosity and fascination, right? People find AI intriguing and are fascinated by its capabilities. They see it as a powerful tool that can solve complex problems and improve various aspects of society. Optimism and hope should be implored where possible. Some individuals may have a positive outlook on AI, believing that it has the potential to bring about significant advancements in various fields, such as healthcare, transportation, and education. They see AI as a tool that can enhance human productivity and improve the quality of life. But there should be a healthy degree of caution and skepticism. There are also those who approach AI with caution, and recognize its potential benefits, but are also concerned about ethical dilemmas, privacy issues, and the potential impact on employment, which is a very legitimate concern when it comes to employment. Like, there's a truck stop not far from here that is completely automated. There are no employees, there are no physical people that work there. It's all automated by computers. There are also those group of people that they meet AI with indifference or ignorance. There are some individuals who don't have a strong opinion or may not be well informed about AI, and that's perfectly fine. They may not fully understand its capabilities or the potential implications it may have in various areas of life, and that's okay too. It's okay. There's so many different points of view when it comes to AI, but I think that at the end of the day, the one point of view, or the 2 points of view, that should be very regularly practiced and implored upon is skepticism and caution when utilizing this technology. It's very interesting because I think that AI does have that propensity to be a beneficial tool if used correctly. But there are some people, that don't have the same, healthy skepticism or caution. But I think overall, if we just listen to Elon Musk, we'll be okay. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Say what you will about that man, but I love him. I live for his antics. Him buying Twitter was the most rock star thing I think I've ever seen in my life. All for the simplistic fact of bringing back freedom of speech on that platform. He bought the damn platform itself. He, like most people, are tired of the PC culture and all of the antics that come with it. So he bought the platform where a lot of that PC culture lives and thrives in. I respect it. But that's pretty much all I had prepared for today. I hope you all have a great rest of your Tuesday. And furthermore, I hope you all enjoy the rest of your week. We'll talk soon.